Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my pan-seared fish with a crab cream sauce. This easy recipe brings two great flavors together to create an awesome seafood meal. With butter and cream in the recipe, it's hard to go wrong. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll be using 3 chopped green onion stalks. Reserve a few of the tops for garnish. We'll also need 2 chopped garlic cloves and 1 finely chopped stalk of celery. I'll be using 4 catfish fillets, but trout or any similar fish will work fine. Melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and generously apply to the tops of the fish. Use your favorite Cajun or Creole seasoning and sprinkle over the tops. There's no precise measurement here, just be sure it has salt in it and apply enough to season from tip to tip. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a large skillet on medium-high heat. Be sure to coat the entire surface of the pan as the fish will stick a bit. Also be sure the oil is hot enough before adding the fish. Add the fish to the pan, buttered side down. Now apply the melted butter to the other side. Add any leftover butter to the pan. Season the bottoms and let this cook for 3 minutes. The oil will help raise the heat point so the butter doesn't burn so easily. Gently give a flip and continue to cook for an additional 3 minutes. Remove the fish from the fire. Add to a foil-lined baking dish or sheet. Squeeze half a lemon over the tops. Now loosely cover with foil and place in an oven heated to between 180 degrees and 200 degrees Fahrenheit to keep warm as we work on the crab sauce. Return the pan back to the medium-high fire. Squeeze the other half of the lemon to the pan. This will not only flavor the sauce, but also help to deglaze the pan, pulling all that great flavor off the bottom. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the skillet. Work the butter over the bottom of the pan as it melts. This will further help pull all the final bits of fish into our sauce. Add some heavy cream. Now, unlike most recipes that saute the chopped vegetables, we're going to add them to the sauce to basically stew. They'll still soften as the sauce reduces. Now reduce the heat to medium and season with some salt, ground black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, a little cayenne pepper, and finally some Worcestershire sauce. Give a mix to combine and gently scrape the bottom of the pan as you stir. Add the crab to the sauce. Continue to cook and stir to reduce and thicken. You'll want to give a taste for seasoning and adjust to your liking. Continue to cook and stir until it reaches your desired thickness. There is no precise timing here. You just kind of have to eyeball it. Remove the fish from the warm oven. Top with a generous amount of crab cream sauce. Garnish with the green onion tops. Some extra lemon wedges. And enjoy. There you have it, folks, my pan-seared fish recipe. Nothing at all wrong with being a little crabby as you enjoy your buttered fish. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.